Hey friends, welcome back. So I'm just coming to show you some things that I found on Amazon, and you guys can shop my Amazon link down below. And although I don't do a video every time, I find all kinds of things, you guys, and put it in my Amazon shopping thing for you. And some of the stuff I do order myself. Look at this for $9.99. You guys know who this is supposed to be a for, right? All right. So, and it's not just name brand things. I have a kitchen section, I have a bedroom section, I have a bathroom section. If you guys can periodically click the link and check it out, I save all kinds of stuff that I think you guys would love. We all know that purse charms are in. Y'all know Coach has these, and they have them in all kinds of color with glitter and without glitter, you guys. And you do not have to pay 40, 50, and $60. Okay. I am adding stuff to my cart anytime I'm playing on Amazon. Anything I think you guys would like, I'm putting down for y'all. So if you can please share this video, share my Amazon link with your friends, family. There's stuff on there for the guys too. It's not all related to women, but y'all know mostly when I'm on there scrolling, I'm scrolling for stuff for the girls, right? But I try to throw some things in for guys as well. And like I said, it's not all beauty. I have different sections for different things. Here are some scarves for my girls who are into scarves. There's blankets, there's throws, there's shoes. There is a section for absolutely everything. And I don't want my video to get dinged, so you guys can pretty much tell what it's supposed to be for the low. Let's just put it that way. What it's supposed to be for the low. Deals and finds, anything I can find for y'all that I think you would like is going to be on here. So I would greatly appreciate it if you guys could click the link, and somebody click the link and let me know if you can see the stuff. Click the link and let me know if it works. I try to put my link in several videos so that you guys can click it and shop, especially when I add stuff. And recently I have updated a lot of things to my Amazon shoppers cart. Okay. I know right now we're doing a lot of TikTok shopping, but let me tell y'all what I do. If I see something on TikTok that I want, I go to Amazon and find it. And I'm going to tell y'all something. A lot of times I can find the same exact thing and it's less on Amazon, and I can trust the shipping and I can trust the tracking. Yes, I've ordered from TikTok before, but very scarcely, very scarcely about putting my card and stuff everywhere. Even though you can use PayPal for TikTok, if I can find it on Amazon, I am going to buy it from Amazon. And I will say 80% of the things that I've seen on TikTok, I have found on Amazon. And I would say a lot of them are cheaper, especially with shipping, because TikTok charges you shipping. And a lot of times when I find it on Amazon, of course, we know how Amazon works. Free shipping. Okay. Easy returns, easy everything. Absolutely no problems. Like I'm trying to show y'all the different colors that this comes in. That's why I went down there, this organizer. So yeah, I just want to let y'all know, like some things that I find on the TikTok shop, I find them on Amazon and I put them over here for you guys. And some of them I purchase, yes. I will periodically bring you guys different videos, updated videos of things that I found, so you guys don't forget about your girl over here. Trying to bring you the best value for the low. If you travel, this is awesome. I'm getting ready to go on a trip. And so I was looking at traveling organizers to hang in the hotel room. Look at that bag, y'all. Look at that bag. Traveling organizers to hang in the hotel room. And I saw those. I'm showing you guys some purses. And like I said, the next one that I do, I will try to incorporate more guys stuff. I know there are some gentlemen that watch me, and I greatly appreciate you guys. So the next Amazon video I do, I will try to incorporate some stuff for you guys, but there is stuff for you guys if you click my link. Do not forget Mother's Day is coming up. You have mothers, you have daughters, you have grandmothers. I've got some wonderful items in my links, in my sections for you guys. If you're moving, like I said, I have home, housewares, kitchen, even car, because y'all know my car, your girl's car is done. So even stuff that I found for the car, blingy stuff, non-blingy stuff that I think you guys might like. And I'm also going to show you guys these shoes. You better watch. Y'all better watch, because I'm showing y'all, and they come in different colors. Yes. Yes. $64. Not bad. Not bad at all. Different colors, different sizes, $64. Y'all know who that's supposed to be, right? The V? Okay, as long as y'all know. Because like I said, I'm not trying to get dinged over here. And I got to show y'all at the end, I did purchase one of the items that y'all saw on the screen. I have purchased this ring 2 times. I love this ring. I wish it came in smaller sizes. My fingers are very small, and no matter how I purchased, I'm going to say love ring, but y'all know who this is supposed to be. It doesn't fit my fingers, but I love, 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 love this ring, but they don't have my size. And this is for the bathroom. Like I told y'all, some of the stuff is not just purses and everything. Look at this bougie bathroom organizer. What? Yes, hunty. Somebody come to your bathroom and they be like, girl, you are too much. And then you're going to say, and is. All right. Okay. And here is the item that I just received. All right, guys, so my package finally came. Now, you guys saw this at the beginning of the video. I did order it. How could I not? And just to tell you guys, this particular one took about 2 weeks to come. I did see the tracking on Amazon. I was able to follow it, but it took about 2 weeks to come because it did not come directly from an Amazon warehouse. I'm in love. I love it. I'm going to go back in and see if they have another one in another color. I also have the keychain on my keys. Yes. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. Love it. I'm going to figure out what purse I'm going to put this on, and I'm just going to dangle her around with me. So I hope you guys appreciate the video. This is absolutely beautiful. I love everything about it, all the details of it. And I think in the beginning of the video, this was like, what, $9.99 or something like that? A fraction of the price. Y'all know the L store? These things are $200-$300. I think the keychain, the metal one. So y'all check it out. Check me out. Thank you.